big gains that we are seeing at this moment. Let's look at this. This is the actual information, and let's go constituency by constituency. Narela, AAP is leading. Mundka, BJP is leading. Shakur Basti, Satyendra Jain, BJP is leading. AAP is trailing. Balli Mara, AAP is leading. Tilak Nagar, AAP is leading. Bijwasan, BJP, Kailash Gehlot is leading. Malviya Nagar, Satish Upadhyay is leading. Greater Kailash, Saurabh Bharadwaj is leading. Patparganj, BJP, Awadh Oja trailing. Then we still to get. We are waiting for leads to come from Rohtas Nagar. Burari, AAP is leading. Kirari, AAP is leading. Nagar, BJP. Karol Bagh, BJP. This is an SC seat.
That's a big one.
Big one for BJP.
He could be the potential chief minister, a Dalit candidate. Gautam.
All right.
Dushyant Gautam.
Dushyant Gautam. All right. Janakpuri, BJP is leading. Palam, AAP is leading. RK Puram, middle class colonies, BJP leading. Kalkaji, BJP leading. Atishi trailing. Lakshmi Nagar, AAP is leading. Seelampur, AAP is leading. Timarpur, AAP. Sultanpur, Majra, AAP, that is Mukesh Alawat. Wazirpur, BJP is leading. This is Ragini Nayak is trailing here. Patel Nagar, BJP is leading. Vikaspuri, AAP is leading. Now, AAP has never won the Vikaspuri constituency. They are leading here. Something is happening, anti-incumbency against the BJP. Delhi Cant, BJP is leading. Mehrauli, BJP is leading. Tughlakabad, BJP. Vishwas Nagar, BJP. Gonda, BJP. Adarsh Nagar, AAP. Nangloi Jat, BJP. Model Town, AAP. Moti Nagar, Harish Khurana, BJP is leading. Uttam Nagar, AAP. Rajinder Nagar, BJP. Okay, so Rajinder Nagar is where Pathak, Durgesh Pathak, and that is where the flooding happened and IAS aspirants lost their lives. Now the BJP leading.
Chhatarpur, BJP. The guy, he shifted.
No, that's Bijwasan.
No. Chhatarpur, he shifted from AAP to BJP.
That is Bijwasan, Kailash Gehlot.
No. Even Chhatarpur.
Okay.
Chhatarpur, a big, this...
Kartar Singh Tanwar.
Badarpur, BJP. Krishna Nagar, BJP. Babarpur, AAP. Babarpur is Gopal Rai. Badli, Congress is leading. Mangolpuri, AAP. Sadar Bazar, BJP. Madipur
is Rakhi
Birla. Dwarka, BJP is leading. New Delhi, BJP is leading. Parvesh Verma. Wouldn't he be a aspirant for the chief?
He along with Gautam.
Okay. Deoli, SC seat, AAP is leading. Okhla, BJP is leading. Gandhinagar, BJP. Gokulpur, BJP. Mustafabad, AAP. Shahadra, BJP. Tirlokpuri, AAP. Ambedkar Nagar, BJP. Jangpura, BJP. Manish Sisodia trailing here. Matiala, AAP. Rajouri Garden, BJP.
Is Manjirdhar Singh Sirsa.
Sirsa is leading here, and again, this is a Sikh-dominated seat.
Exactly.
Chandni Chowk, BJP is leading.
That's the big one. I don't think it can hold.
Minority seat. Is there cutting of votes happening? Rohini, BJP. Rithala, AAP. Bhavana, AAP. Shalimar Bagh, BJP. Matia Mahal, AAP. Harinagar, BJP. Najafgarh, BJP. Kasturba Nagar, BJP. Sangam Vihar, BJP. Kondli, AAP.
A completely working class area. If BJP is winning there, it's significant.
It's leading. At the moment, these are trends, and this is what we are seeing. And well, Seemapuri, BJP, Karaval Nagar, BJP. Seemapuri again minority dominated, and the BJP leading here. Things are happening on the ground. BJP at 43, Aam Aadmi Party at 26. That is the situation. Is it early to call the elections?